Guys, that is tasty, delicious, and it's healthy. And it only requires 3 ingredients, which you can probably find around your house. So, the recipe is watermelon salad. This recipe is actually pretty easy. All you need is just some watermelon. This is feta cheese. This is like Greek cheese. And this is just some lemon juice. Alright, so all these things are just gonna go on here. I'm using about a tablespoon of lemon juice for this much watermelon. So you put lemon juice on, then you put a feta cheese on. So pour like all of it, right? And then go to the side. Now all you're gonna take is another plate, flip it over, and just shake, 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 shake. It's fine. Once the shaking is done, look at that. That is like good. Alright guys, now I'm gonna be trying the watermelon salad that we just made. It is fresh and it's healthy. It's so good. Alright. Y'all have to try this recipe. It's a snack or it can be a meal. Forgot. Be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes like this. See you in my next video.